Now you take this, Ching Chong. Japan, help me. Okay, I need to make Japanese empire. China, take this. Let's make King Dynasty. Hey India, can I take Tibet? Sure, take it. Woohoo! I got Tibet back. Now let's invade. I still want Tibet. Okay, now take King Dynasty is back. Now I will be friends with Nazi Germany and British Empire. No, you will never be with my Nazi Germany. You will be with Kingdom of Italy and British Empire. Let's reform the great British Empire. Let's make it. British Empire is back! Let's form Russian Empire. Russian Empire is back. I don't want to take stance until an emergency. So until that, I will keep my stance alive. Time to form mighty Germany. Now let's take more lands. Time to make French colonial empire. Time to form Ottoman Empire. India, take this. Pakistani Empire is formed. Now I will tell you guys the themes. Russian Empire, India, and Nazi Germany and Japanese Empire versus King Dynasty, Pakistan, Kingdom of Italy that will be formed, Kingdom of Italy, Britain, and did I say British Empire? I don't remember, but and British Empire will be inside the Chinese team. So let's see who wins. Kingdom of Italy is back. Hey Afghanistan, take this. Hey Bangladesh, take this. How dare you invade Bangladesh? All Akhand Bharat countries join. Hey Russian Empire, take this. Oh no, stance, join me quickly. Okay sir. German Empire, can I have Kaliningrad? Sure, have it. Thank you. Now King Dynasty, take this. I kicked you out of my lands, but I need more lands. Have a peace treaty. What peace treaty? Just do not kill me. Sorry, but there's a war going on. I'm really sorry. India, now die. You took my capital. I surrender. India surrendered to Pakistan? Oh no. Empire, I need to do this. Fine, just do it. Make Nazi Germany. France, your enemy is Kingdom of Italy and mine is Ottoman Empire. I need to do this. Okay. We need to kill him. Now take this. Now you take. Who called me? Mauryan Dynasty? Yes, kids. I am back. But we need to defeat Pakistan and China because I cannot stay for much longer. Because Pakistan is slowly invading me whole. And it took Islamabad and Lahore. Now he is in Indian mainland. Oh. for celebration. Let's revive my favorite empire, Chad Empire. Now we cannot lose by you all fools. Ah, 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 ah. How dare you, Pakistan? Something is happening to me. No, this cannot be. British Raj? Yes, British rule is back. Just shut up. It's me, Akhand Bharat. Now die. Who wants to die? Oh no, Russian Empire, take this! Now, if you want part 2, subscribe.